NAB 2025. We are here with Jason Barden, the Sales Director of Riedel for Latin America and Caribbean. How are you, my good friends?
Fantastic, Victor. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you as always. We need to catch with you about the new solutions that Riedel are showing here at NAB.
Absolutely. So, what an exciting show. Although this is my 20th NAB, it's my very first one with Riedel Communications. Absolutely excited to be here. This is an incredible companies, great people, great products, and a great culture. So we're here this year showing off some of our newest products that we have across the board in all of the product ranges. So just to run you through a little bit about who we are, what we do. For Riedel Communications, we are the German-based company who have been known for intercom solutions and, of course, the very famous Bolero wireless intercom lag. So this has sort of become the best-known industry standard, most robust and highest quality wireless intercom solution. But of course, although we're known for intercom and the Bolero system, we also have a lot of products. So some of the main products we're showcasing here in the booth, one of them is right behind me, which is incredibly popular, especially in Latin America, is our Simply Live system. So Simply Live is our solution that started out as replay. So what we see here is a replay where we can monitor cameras. In this case, we have 6 cameras and a preview and program output where we can watch any play, create clips, save it, create a rundown of highlights using the jog. We can also look at any other cameras, to assign any of the cameras to the preview, or send it to program. The Simply Live solution also has many other applications. So using the very same hardware, we can also use it for applications of live production. So we can do a built-in live production switcher where we can control a live show, not only hearing the switching, but also have the replay built in. So with one box, we can separate and have 2 operators, one doing the production and another one doing the replay. Simply Live solution also has applications for ingest and playout, and we have solution for bar. So for the remote referee solution, we have systems where we have many centralized stations. For example, there is one in Argentina where we have 14 stations where 14 remote referees can watch simultaneous games and do the arbitraje, or the referee falls or referee assistance. So that is the Simply Live product line. And if anybody wants to see more about Simply Live, we do have systems in Brazil where guys contact me directly. We also have our distribution network in Brazil, which covers all of our products. Another important product that we're showcasing here this week is our MeteorNet solution. MeteorNet is one of the best kept secrets. We do something that's absolutely unique, which is we have a completely non-centralized solutions for signal routing and signal processing. So we have our MeteorNet frames with all of the inputs and outputs for audio and video, and also the processing. But we can position these frames at different places within your facility. So we can have one in a production room, another one in master control. We then link all of these together with our TDM fiber network, where we can have a fiber ring and a fiber star configuration so that any box can move signals to any other box. So it's truly an anything, anywhere, but fully distributed. And with the combination of the fiber ring and the fiber star, we have full redundancy on signal paths, where the system will automatically choose the best path to route signals through. So we have MeteorNet available in we have a 3G solution for high definition, or we also have the MeteorNet UHD for 12 gig SDI for UHD solutions. And finally, the newest member of that family is our Horizon frame, which is our hybrid frame allowing you to have a hybrid environment of SDI and SMPTE 2110. So as we're transitioning into 2110, we have the perfect solution to mix signals and also have gateways strategically positioned, again, because this is a non-centralized architecture. So other than these main products, we also have a couple of fun products on the booth. Thomas Riedel always likes to have some cool stuff. So there are some solutions that are owned by Thomas Riedel. We have them here. There's Apex Camera Systems. This is a gimbal system designed to mount a helicopter, to mount onto a helicopter or watercraft. We use those for events such as motorsports, or we use it for the sail GP, so that a boat can follow the sailboats and have a steady, stable camera system to be able to get the best shots for live action. We also have, Thomas has also purchased a new company called V2Air, which is a drone management system. This allows us not only to have the drones, but a full software solution to manage the airspace. We can define no-fly zones. We can also create preset paths for repeatable shots. This is a great solution for motorsports, for example, if you want to follow a racetrack and have that fully automated. So with the press of a button, we can repeat that movement. And finally, one of the solutions that we have here that's a huge hit is our Easy 5G. This is a 5G antenna and a 5G network that we can set up in a stadium or other venues as our own private 5G networks. So the idea is we want to be able to connect devices through this 5G network without having to share the public 5G network, which always becomes a challenge in large events when we have 60 or 80,000 people showing up at the event with their phone, jumping onto the same network. It's obviously very difficult to get the bandwidth required. So our Easy 5G is a very simple system to set up where we can create this network and have devices connected. Now, one of these devices we can connect is an amazing device. This is unique to us. We're starting to plan for some events. This is called the RefCam. So right now in NFL, for example, the referees in the NFL use the Bolero system. They use a special Bolero skinny device. So it's a thinner device, lightweight, which connects to their earpiece. We've now added a camera onto this earpiece. So we have what's called the RefCam. Now this is going to create an incredible viewer experience where the viewers can not only watch the game, but we'll be able to get these shots of the referee's point of view, which is going to add a whole new layer of excitement to the experience of watching a game. So that wraps up basically Riedel Communications for NAB 2025. It's been an exciting show. We still have 2 days left. So if you haven't stopped by the Riedel booth yet, please come on by, take a look at our new technologies, and of course, check out our website, riedel.net.